Hello guys, welcome back to Quick Guide. I'm back with another video, and in today's video I'm going to teach you how to log out of Kakao Talk. In your app there you cannot see a logout option. To log out of your Kakao Talk account, you'll need to put in some extra effort. You'll now need to go to your home page of your phone and then tap and hold the Kakao Talk account and then delete your app. A pop-up message will appear on your screen asking if you are sure you want to delete. Tap on delete. Now you'll need to reinstall your app. So now open up App Store. Search Kakao Talk on your search bar and then tap on search, which is on bottom right of your keyboard. There on top you'll see the app, tap on it and then tap on the download icon. It will take few minutes to download the app. Now your app has been downloaded. Tap on open and there you can see that you have been logged out of your account. I hope this video was useful to you. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel.